A creamy stovetop skillet chili mac and cheese recipe. Spicy chorizo, ground beef, sauce, cheese, and pasta, all cooked in one pan and ready in about 30 minutes. This stovetop skillet chili mac and cheese recipe is one of those meals you can put on the heavy menu rotation because it's so easy and so good. If you need a quick, easy family comfort meal, this is the one. In a skillet on medium-high heat, I'm adding in 1/2 pound of chorizo and 1/2 pound of lean ground beef. The chorizo already has a great start and flavor with the spicy Mexican flair. Chop and brown until fine and no longer pink. Adding in 4 large cloves of minced garlic, 1 cup of finely diced onion, 3/4 cup of diced bell pepper, and 1 seeded diced jalapeno for a little back heat. Cook and stir for 2 to 3 minutes. And now for the seasonings. I have 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, giving that a good toss and cooking for 1 minute to release those flavors. This is 1 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes and the juices. And I'm also adding in 2 3/4 cups of chicken broth. I'm turning my heat up to bring this up to a simmer. At this point, you could also add in a 14-ounce can of rinsed and drained pinto or kidney beans, or maybe even some corn. Cooking and stirring for 5 minutes. This is about 10 ounces of pasta shells. If you want to add the full 16-ounce package, you will need to add an additional cup of chicken broth. Giving everything a good toss, bringing up to a low simmer, covering and cooking for 12 to 15 minutes or until the pasta is tender. I give the pasta a toss every 2 to 3 minutes during the cooking process just to make sure that nothing is sticking to the bottom. In the end, I want a light sauce surrounding all the pasta and enough liquid for the cheese to absorb. At this point, I'm turning off my heat. I'm adding in 4 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese, and one of my secrets to making this real creamy is 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. Giving everything a good toss until the cheese is melted and absorbed. And finally, garnishing with some chopped green onions and sprinkling with the remainder 4 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. This is going under a low broiler for a minute or 2 or until the cheese is melted. This stovetop skillet chili mac and cheese is going to feed 4 hungry people. A quick and easy weekday comfort meal that will please the family. I hope you give my stovetop chili mac and cheese recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!